I got this shelving unit to use here as my plant rack. It was fantastic because it was really easy to put together. It basically is folded up and the top shelf is kind of folded over. So see how you got the creases here? So this is kind of, the two were folded together. I just basically unfolded it and then pushed the top one over, latched it there, and then there's a stabilizing latch on the back right there. It does have wheels, so I can pull it out. I just have my plant stuff plugged in. Let me kind of roll it a little bit. It's kind of a little top heavy because of my plants, but you can see how that is. So this would be good for people that want temporary shelving, but also people that don't like to put things together, which I don't. So this is great for, you know, craft fairs and things like that where you're taking your shelving with you. I don't know, I just think it looks really nice. It's got the holes here on each of the shelves. Shelves are not adjustable. They have to be in the place that they are, but I'm loving this. It was really easy to put together. It probably took me longer to get it out of the box than it did to put it together.